Okay, you guys, so now what we're going to do is you are actually going to do a little bit of practice, if I can figure out where it is. Okay, all right, so if you turn in your BOK to the markets practice sheet, right, and so we're going to practice just like we've been doing before, and we're going to try to indicate, so we're going to have a situation, then we're going to have a change, and then we're going to have to say what happened to the equilibrium, okay? All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we understand what we're graphing. So in every one of these problems, it says you are graphing jeans. So you come down here and it says you've got a problem. The price of cotton increases. So you're going to do a graph a market for jeans, which means you have your price, quantity, and then you have a downward sloping demand curve and an upward sloping supply curve on every single one of these. That's when I say draw a market, okay? Now you have to figure out, well, what happened? So I'm graphing jeans. The price of cotton increases. Well, what does cotton have to do with jeans? Is that simply the price of jeans? No. Is that something affecting consumers with jeans, or is that affecting the supplier? So I would say, well, that's affecting the supplier because cotton is an ingredient or an input. It's something you use to make jeans. So if the price of cotton goes up, what will happen to the supply of jeans? So the supply of jeans should decrease, which means it will shift to the left. Then you identify what would happen to your equilibrium. So I know I don't have it graphed here in front of you, but just kind of imagine if the supply curve shifted to the left, my equilibrium price would fall, and my equilibrium quantity would also fall from S to S1. Does everybody see that? So over here, you would write equilibrium price down, equilibrium quantity down. So in every one of these, you're going to have a graph, and that graph will either have a change in price, which will be disequilibrium, a change in one of your demand determinants, one of your Piner things, or a change in one of your supply things. And then over here, you're always going to tell me what would happen to equilibrium price would go up or down, and equilibrium quantity will go up or down. All right? So let's take some time to practice those. You got this, okay? And then the sub will go over it with you and help you to check it.